Digits on the beat.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the next episode. So in this video we're going to do the boot lid and fit the driver's side door. Test out the new camera, see how that goes. So I don't know how it's going to hold up, but we'll have a go anyway. So let's go. Yeah, so got the chair. So what you got? Get your boot lid.
Michael Jackson, a welcome return, says Stephen Mills. Absolutely, it was a massive gap. Come on, halfway through the week, Bumbling hard. Laura is bumbling her pets off in the lab in Oxford. Back out the weekend. This show is really stupid, I've just realised. Really stupid.
Just done one bolt on one side for now.
Says the guys in Wolverhampton engaging must Ben on the A38 bumbling, yes! Down plastering in Nottingham right now, bumbling his trousers off. Come on, where's the rest of you? Come on! My stomach hurts, a mince gap, says Alex. Bumbling in York. In the machine, that's Nick. Mike bumbling his cultivator off. Ted in Northamptonshire.
Right, so done all the bolts finger tight. And what we'll do is we'll just make sure it actually fits. It closes alright. Yeah, so the camera's been cutting out a bit, but I'll just give you a walk around.
Leave little voice messages and things.
So yeah, it hasn't been a bad day. Done little bits and that. So camera's been messing up, so I'll just end it on this phone. Yeah, so thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you shortly. So yeah, cheers. If you go in mini in the park, let me know, because I'll be there, so I'll meet you there and stuff. So yeah, cheers. Right, and so yeah, in the bit I just said thank you very much for watching and that. The camera's lost, well, half of the stuff that I recorded. But now I know what I've done wrong, so the next episode should be brilliant, but that will be Santa Pod. So I've got a new camera, doing all the shots and things like that. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon.